So a lot of people will create an account on eBay and they will do some listings, but they will not get some sales. So in this video, I want to share the 4 to 5 tips. I don't know how many they are going to be, but I'm going to share all of those tips with you. All of them, you can do them for free. Absolutely. They are not going to cost you anything. And this will guaranteed you will get the instant sale. So before any delay, you're not going to like and subscribe to the channel and video, all that kind of stuff anyway. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to think as a buyer, not as a seller, and then reverse engineer your way to get the sale. What do I mean by that? I can give you some examples with it. So first of all, think as a buyer. Once we go on eBay, what will be the first thing that we are going to do? Obviously, we're going to search something on eBay, whatever we are looking for. So if I simply type iPhone case right here, and then I will press enter, obviously there has to be some sort of search engine optimization. So when I click on best match, all the listing which are on the top, they have something. They are optimized really, really well. So the way I optimize my listing, there are 2 things that you will have to change inside your listing. So number 1 is going to be your title, and the second is going to be description. But I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. So first of all, we're gonna obviously optimize our title. So I simply copy that title, I come to ChatGPT right here, and then this ChatGPT is obviously completely free. You don't need any paid subscription for it. Just type rewrite this with proper SEO. That's the command you need to give. And then whatever the listing is going to be on the top, obviously, which is relevant to the product which you are selling, you copy that title. If you just copy that, you're directly competing with the seller. So you don't need to copy and paste that exact title. You need to make some changes inside. So click on ChatGPT and then paste all the title, and then you can just simply click on enter. And then ChatGPT have simply rewritten this title, and then this one is properly optimized with the SEO. You're using artificial intelligence to optimize this title as well. Then let's say the same thing that you want to do for your description. So once I open the description for this one, I will just copy the description, this description right here, or let's say I am looking for this description right here. I will just simply come in a description. It can be any item. I will copy the entire description right here, and I will just simply put that inside the ChatGPT as well. And the command which I will give is rewrite this in professional way with proper SEO. And if sometime a lot of people, they have a little bit different items. So for example, the description which I copy for this item right here, this one have a black color. So let's say my item happen to have a green color. What I can do, then I can just simply tell ChatGPT, make sure the color for my case which I'm selling is black. So ChatGPT will keep in mind, if this seller happened to mention that their color is green or black, then ChatGPT will replace that word as well. So something to keep in mind. And then I will do this one, and then I will type that entire description. As soon as I press enter, then the ChatGPT will write the entire description for me. So this way I can just simply copy that title, copy that description, and I can add inside my eBay. And this way I know my title and description is properly optimized. Number 1. Number 2, I know that I'm not copying, I'm not directly competing, I'm not having some algorithmic copyright issue. So once you copy the listing from somebody, maybe the seller doesn't know, but the algorithm know that you have copy and pasted. So you wanna feed in the original content as much as possible. So using something like ChatGPT to really optimize a title and description will help massively. And I sometimes even take it to the next level as well. By using Zeek Analytics right here, inside the Zeek Analytics, there is an option called Title Builder. So the Title Builder is not something which is keeping optimization in mind. So if I type iPhone case right here, Zeek Analytics also look at the number of sales as well, because it is also comparing all the data inside the eBay, and then it will tell you the search volume right here, and then it will also tell you the competition, and then it will also tell you the sales as well. So you want to use something which is getting a highest sale, and then it also have a lowest competition. So by using something like Zeek Analytics can take your listing to the next level, and it can really optimize them really well. So the point number 2 now, in a point number 1, as I said, you have to think it as a buyer. This is the key here. So what will be the second thing that the buyer will do? Once they will be on eBay, they will most of the time will decide to click on the item based on the picture. Keep in mind, a lot of people think the price is something that will affect, but look, this item is, this case right here is $15.29, this one right here, and this case right here is $5.95. What the buyer will think? They will think, okay, well, this case right here is obviously going to be better. So this is a psychological thing. If something is expensive, the buyer will think, okay, well, it must be good, that's why it's expensive. So people start the price wars between them. They think, okay, well, I'm gonna lower my price, then this way you're not making any profit at the end of the day. You need to look professional. So to look professional, what the first thing the buyer will do, they will look at your pictures right here. You see the pictures right here, you see the pictures right here. These pictures nowadays are not hard to make. You can use artificial intelligence to make these types of pictures as well. So what I use for this one is called Midjourney. Midjourney also have their free version as well. I'm gonna put the link for each and everything, which I will put inside the description. So in the morning I wanted to list, I play with this all day. In the morning I wanted to list a item which was the screen protector. So I given this command to Midjourney right here. You can see this one was iPhone showcasing the screen protector right here. So the iPhone which I choose was right here, this one. You can see this is a professional image and I don't have any copyright issues. I can simply go in Canva and I can add some text, all that kind of stuff as well. I have a full video on that. I'm gonna put that like inside the description. But by using Midjourney, like straight away, I'm able to make a professional image. And then this was my main picture. The next thing which I wanted to add was somebody showcasing the mobile. So I given another command, which I done like I'm showing you in real life right here. I done another command that a girl showcasing a mobile phone. So you can see this one right here, this one image it have created for me. So this one, it is somebody who is also showcasing these cases. So I can simply go in a Canva and I can swipe this one. Like I can put my cover on this one. So you can be really creative, but this way you are using a professional image. A lot of time I use the Midjourney for print and demand kind of stuff as well. So you can just simply click on this one. You can make really decent money by selling like print and demand stuff using Printify, all that kind of stuff on Etsy, eBay. All you have to do, just give a command to Midjourney and it will create the original design for you. So I will do design a mug with a heart on it, and then I will just let the like Midjourney to do the magic inside right here as well. So I will show you the results, but before I show you the results, I want to talk about the third point of getting a sale. You see, like so far, if you're getting a value, hit the like button because these things will help you massively. So the third thing which I want to talk about is just simply giving more value to your customer. Keep that in mind, giving more value to your customer without having to pay any additional cost. And there are a couple of ways you can achieve that. So the one way is going to be bundling the item together. I see this all the time. It works all the time. So for example, you can see the product which I was talking about, like, you know, WD-40. People sell this from Poundland all the time. So if I post this one, so for example, if I go on Royal Mail website and then I just simply try to find the price for the item. So I will do price finder right here. I know that if I post one item or if I post 5 of this item right here, like this seller is doing, the postage is going to cost me the same money. So because I'm paying a lot of money for the postage, it makes sense for me to combine two things together. So that's what they do for like iPhone cables a lot of time. time as well. So this is something that we do all the time. You can see right here, this one, they're combining pack of 3 together. You know what I mean? So the reason they are combining pack of 3 together and they have sold 123, because if they post 1 or if they post 3, it's gonna cost them the same money to do the thing as well. So a lot of sellers, they do with the drop shipping items as well. They combine 2 of them together, because once you order that thing from your supplier, it can cost you the same money for the postage. So for example, you can see inside the Royal Mail price finder, I can see the item like the parcels goes little as $2.99, and you know what you can fit inside the parcel is it's a size of shoebox. So is this big is the shoebox. So if I was posting WD-40, this one right here, if I post 1 of them or if I post 5 of them, it is going to cost me the same money. So being a little bit clever with it, offering more value to your customer, this way you will get a really, really decent sale. And this is a strategy that nobody uses as well. So try bundling the items together. This way you will be able to get instant sale. So before I show you the results from Midjourney, the image that we are trying to create for our print and demand business, the last thing which I'm going to talk about is a long-term sustainability of our business. This is very important, very fancy kind of word, but I'm going to show you with a couple of examples. So a lot of new sellers, what they do, let's say now, next month we have a Halloween coming. So inside the Zeek Analytics, it shows that the dates, like once you can accept like a Mother Day, like the Christmas, and once you need to prepare for those type of item. This one, obviously the Halloween is on 31st of October 2023. A lot of people will start looking inside, like, you know, Zeek Analytics is suggesting right here, the string light, Disney costumes, like these are the fast selling item for the Christmas. And inside the Zeek Analytics, there is a lot of stuff. But if I open that one, let's say a Disney costume right here, inside the Disney costume, I'm going to do a little bit of analysis to see if this product is long-term sustainable. The reason we are doing that, because that's why we see big spikes in the sale. You can see this one right here during the month of August, this one, and the sale for this one goes really, really up, and then you get like a really dead areas in the middle as well. So really dead area right here. Before that, there isn't enough sale. The sale spikes up near the Halloween time. But let's say you are drop shipping, and it doesn't really matter, like either you're not really keeping the item in stock, you are just drop shipping the item, it will be fine. You quickly listed, you got the sale, you're out of it, so that's why you're selling a season based item. But the problem with it, you are not really, you don't have one listing. For example, this listing right here, this listing is long-term sustainable listing. So this one have sold 24,734. They have a social proof to back it up. Like a lot of people are buying it, so this item must be good. It is a trending item on eBay. Once you're listing one-off item which are heavily season dependent, you will still have to list the long-term sustainable item so your business can make a decent money throughout the year as well. And a lot of people don't think about that. They just think about, okay, well, I'm gonna list the item where I can get a quicker sale. Yes, the quicker sale is important for the item, but quicker sale isn't always going to be sustainable throughout the year. So this is something that you're gonna have to really keep a close eye on. Now let's talk about what the Midjourney have created for us. So you can see this mug design right here. I can use this mug design, I can put them on Etsy, and then I can get like a print on demand like Printify or something like that to actually do this for me as well. So with the Midjourney, you can improve your pictures. With the Zeek Analytics, I will put the link for that inside the description. This will instantly skyrocket your sale. Make sure you check this video right here where I talked about other AI tool which I use for helping my business to grow nearly £500,000 every single year.